that even in adverse circumstances, we must continue searching for what is positive. You will always find something, because you never know in what form God may appear to bring you that one ray of light that can illuminate your entire life. Ram. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. In today's edition of Manas for Manush, we will go through the Sundarkand, Doha number 4, Chaupai number 3 and 4, through which we will get to know how Hanumanji found Lanka when he entered it. मंदिर मंदिर प्रति करि शोधा, देखें जहाँ तहाँ अगणित जोधा, गयौ दसानन मंदिर माही, अति विचित्र कही जात सो नाही। शयन किए देखा कपि तेहि, मंदिर महु न दिखी बैदेही, भवन एक पुनि दीख सुहावा, हरि मंदिर तह भिन्न बनावा। Hanumanji entered Lanka primarily to find Mother Janaki and deliver Lord Sri Ramchandra's message to her. But at the same time, he also had a naturally lively and curious nature. By temperament, he possessed an instinct for investigation and observation. So when he entered Lanka, while on one hand he was searching for Mother Janaki, on the other hand he was also studying the entire city, its residents, their living spaces and their way of life. Because when you are going to wage war against someone, it is essential to learn as much as possible about the enemy. You should not only know the strengths of their army, but also their ideology, their faith, and their beliefs. And as Bajrangbali observed all this, he came across some astonishing facts as well. Even in hostile circumstances, not everything is 100% unfavorable. In such times, one should try to find something positive even within the negativity. This is exactly what Kesari Nandan Hanuman did. Goswami ji says, मंदिर मंदिर प्रति कर शोधा, देखें जहाँ तहाँ अगणित जोधा, गयौ दसानन मंदिर माही, अति विचित्र कही जात सो नाही. Here, the word mandir does not refer to a temple of God. Rather, it refers to a grand temple-like palace that existed in the kingdom of Lanka. Hanumanji went through palace after palace in search of Sita Ma. Everywhere he looked, he saw countless warriors. Then he entered the palace of Dashanan Ravan. This palace was so extraordinary that ordinary words could not do justice to its description. According to Sarg 9, Shlok 31 of the Valmiki Ramayana, at first glance it created an illusion. Was this the very realm of heaven? Maharshi Valmiki says, seeing the roof of Ravan's palace, Marutanandan Hanuman began wondering if this was heaven or perhaps the celestial realm, the city of Indra. Maybe it was some position of supreme spiritual attainment. The entire city of Lanka was a city of illusion, and Ravan was the emperor of that illusionary kingdom. Yet, despite its unparalleled beauty, the palace seemed somewhat unusual and unsettling to Hanumanji. In contrast, he then notices another building which at first sight appeared pleasant. Tulsidas ji continues, शयन किए देखा कपिते ही, मंदिर महु न दिखी बैदेही। भवन एक पुनि दीख सुहावा, हरि मंदिर तह भिन्न बनावा। The great Vanara Hanuman saw Ravan sleeping inside his palace. But even after searching the entire palace, he could not find Vaidehi Ma Sita. Then he saw another building which, unlike the others, looked truly delightful. There stood a separate temple dedicated to Sri Hari Vishnu. Now imagine Hanumanji wandering through the dazzling golden splendor of Lanka, where even with all the grandeur and beauty around, the palaces felt strange and inauspicious to him. And suddenly, in the same city, he came across a structure that, though comparatively simple, felt something special to his heart, like a lamp flickering in a dark forest. That building looked very attractive to him. Like a drowning man finding support of a straw, that building drew him towards itself. And in this swamp of inauspiciousness, he walked towards that place in search of something auspicious. Seeing that building, Bajrangbali felt uplifted and joyful. So what lessons do we learn from today's Chaupais? That even in adverse circumstances, we must continue searching for what is positive. You will always find something. Baba's Brahmagyan today is dedicated to those who feel hopeless. Whenever you feel as though you have drowned in deep darkness with not even a single ray of hope in sight, that is when you must hold tightly onto faith. Because you never know in what form God may appear to bring you that one ray of light that can illuminate your entire life. Here, this young man was being swept away in the fierce waves of the Ganga in Haridwar, where there seemed to be no chance of survival. But suddenly, the NDRF Jawans leapt in like a divine messenger. राम नाम की लूट है, लूट की पूरी छूट है, ये पूंजी बिनमोल आपकी है सारी की सारी। तो बोलो मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, द्रबहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी।